back to the channel. Welcome to a new video. So I'm uploading a video after a very long time. Maybe it's more than 1 month, because last time I've uploaded, I guess it's on 14th of February, and now today is 28th of March. I'm shooting one. Maybe it'll upload it on 29th. So a very happy Holi to all of you. Very happy Holi, and comment me down what you all are doing in your Holi and what are your plans. So this is all with me today. I've played Holi, but it's just for taking a photo. Like I have not even put the colors properly in my face, because my skin is very sensitive, and like from my childhood, I've played Holi, but the same thing happens. Like my skin starts itching. Suddenly it happens, and I don't know why. So I've played a little bit of Holi. Like if that Gulal is only I've played with Gulal. So I'm ready out here today, and maybe I'll be going out or may not. I don't know. So what are your plans? Do comment me down, and if I go out, I'll be sharing everything with you. So till then, check out what I do. So very funny thing happened. That was, I was having my stand in the roof, and you don't believe, a lot of crow came. Like how will I show? Like I think you can see at the back house there, and there is also one. Like a lot of crow came, and they were just near me, and like one thing happened. Kurkure just fall down, and they just came and ran off with the thing. Like it's very even funny. You all won't believe what happened. That I was when I came to the roof, like after opening the door, I was just combing my hair. Before shooting, I was just combing my hair. So I just kept my comb in one of the this rack in my roof, and then I just saw that the crow was taking it, and he just went off with the comb. I was like, where are you going with my comb? Like, and he just went. I don't know where my comb is. Like I saw it in the upper roof, but there's no point of going in the upper roof because I don't have any stairs. It's like very funny. My mother is also laughing. No idea what they will do with my comb. So I think I have to go out today, because what is how I comb my hair? Like I have to buy one comb very immediately. It's needed. Like I have to buy. So the shops will be open. So I'll go. I don't know. Today is Sunday even, and today is Holi. No idea. What is how I comb? So there we are in Rikshana, and we are returning from our tuition, and we have played a little bit of Holi also. You can see. Yes. The mask hole. Nah, this is COVID test, and I'm not. Okay, then she'll not open her mask. And by the way, hi people. So hi and bye. Hey guys, I am in a mela here now, which is near my house, as I told you all. So I'm just seeing the stalls out here, and I will share what are here. So let's continue. Here there are many food stalls, and I don't know what I'll eat, but let's see what I do. You can see here there are so many rides. Yes, food stalls, people going around. It's very crowded. Hey guys, there I'm in Mela now, and you all can see it's too crowded here. My mother is having fuchka, and I'm just standing here. And maybe I'm not having anything, or else I'll see what food I'll have, or else I'll pack and I'll then have it when I'll go home. Let's see what So guys, there are so many rides here, but none of them are within my age group. Like they have fixed an age group till 13 years or till 15 years. There are rides for of my age also. There's a giant wheel you guys have seen, I guess. But I am not riding that because I'm very afraid of that giant wheel and all. Like I'm so afraid of these things. But when I was small and I used to visit this fair and I used to ride all these rides. Like they are very interesting. Good morning. Wishing you all a very happy Bengali New Year. May your this year goes very joyful and you enjoy a lot throughout this year. So I am done today. Like I have worn a new dress here and I have taken my bath. Now I'll go to Spencer's because in evening I have an invitation in a friend's house, Sanjana. She's invited me and I'll go there. She has a pug and we'll enjoy a lot there because I love dogs. Like not that big one, but the small dogs I love. So I'm going there. I'll buy a dairy milk for her from Spencer's and I have other things also to buy for my home. So I'll go and I forgot to show you all one thing. That day I went to the Mela and I bought a floor mat. I guess you guys can see that. Very funky kind of tiger shaped. It's very nice. So that's it. And this is my bedroom. It's my bed. This is my cupboard. That's all. This is my bedroom. And here another cupboard and all these stuffs are there. So I have settled my room recently, yesterday only. So I'm done. Now I'll go to Spencer's and then I told her I'll buy a dairy milk obviously for my friend. Guys, so wishing you all a very happy Bengali New Year today, and I'm going to my friend's house. She's invited me. So I've taken a dairy milk for her and we'll give it to her. So that's all. And I've started shooting this video since Holi. So I'll post it. I'll edit it and post it definitely. So guys, I am returning home now. And I enjoyed a lot with my friend, and auntie has packed food for me also. My mom is also with me, she's there, and we both are returning home now. I don't know you guys can see my outfit or not. I worn this. Actually I forgot to show you all in the beginning. Actually I was so busy going. I had a rush in that lane that to reach fast my friend's house because I was already late. So that's it, and it is from Only, my outfit. This is the OOTD of today. So bye everyone, hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and please do subscribe my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, good night.